guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my mom.
OMG, totally. We have a beautiful army front mask here. It's a camel color with a light blue and would be more of like the army cadets kind of thing.
Yep.
And what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a cupcake mask. A cupcake mask.
Is it comfortable?
Sure thing.
Bird, Damien, mask up. You gotta put your mask on. And Damien has a rainbow mask.
Today we got this cute little bag. It's maybe I have to put
So meow.
so meow.
It says catty-corn.
Because it's a unicat.
OMG.
It's Splash Cat and unicorn. So yeah, I'm just chilling out and still on the subway. We just got back from drumming and yeah. So that's nice. And we didn't go like the shopping spree, but it's just how we did it so far. But it's all good. And you guys may have noticed that I have a donut mask and a donut in the shirt. So yeah, that's what are stars?
The next station
Stuffy.
Lawrence West.
Because I can't
Lawrence
start.
West Station.
So yeah. And that's it. Today we might go to the park. I might film and I might get my hair done. And do a little shorter hair. This will be like this. This little piece pop sticking out. But yeah. And these parts, this long bench will be up to here.
Arriving at
It will be up
Lawrence
to
West. Lawrence West Station.
Let me show you.
Doors will open
It
on
will
the
be
left.
up to maybe up to here.
Please stand clear of the doors.
So I'm passing you guys to my mom. Mommy, here you go.
Hey, yeah.
Next station.
So we're gonna end this video now. I think so.
Station.
Whoa.